What's up, everybody? It's already 7 p.m. It's very sad time. After 2 weeks in Canada, it's time to go home. I'm going back to Poland for 2 weeks. My friend looking for the fast track for me because he got it, so I will use it. Fast track. I'm at the front of the Polish lot gate. I'm gonna tell you at the end, it was beautiful 2 weeks here in Canada. I really do enjoy. Weather was great until we come back from Calgary for the last day. Today is very cold. Like I was really feeling cold all day, but after that it was great. We just discussed. I showed you as many things as possible around Toronto. Actually, most of the things, maybe except the CN Tower, but after that, most of the things. And yeah, this is it, bro. Yo, wanna say something?
Thanks for putting up with me for 2 weeks.
Yeah. Also, it wasn't the tiring for you. I'm not that bad, guys. Alright. As I said, Polish lot, not too many people, but that's how does it look like outside. I'm gonna get inside because it's so cold. Actually, not too many people checking, but probably it's too early. It's over 3 hours. I print my ticket here because I'm only flying very, very light. That's how I travel for 2 weeks to North America, only with suitcase and little backpack. So it's all going with me, no checking luggage. And that's the board with the flights where the people are going today. Actually, quite a lot. But big city, Toronto, right? Air Canada next door. I'm looking for toilet, and I will see you on the other side of the after the security. Actually, oh, there's no queues in security over there. So also cool. Actually, previous was United Airline only gates, but this one is my gate here. No problem at all. Also gate. Not too busy, not too busy. It's funny actually because this one was also not my place. I have to go to complete the other side of the airport. Even the check-in was next to it, but this is only for American flights and domestic flights. American flights actually. So confusing. What's happened sometimes? You should look for the flags. They are Canadian, American, or the global. And global here, international, that's mean. And the story is totally different with the queues. Way more busy, actually. That's Lufthansa here. And now I have a gate E going to international. The guy sent me to gate D, which is to the Canadian one. That's interesting, the beginning of the story right now. Oh well, but that's traveling, right? It was international flag, now I'm going to D, where is Canadian, so a little bit messy situation. And this is actually where I fly to Calgary last week. 3 days ago. All right, security check done, but it's funny because like 3 days ago, I remember that's exactly the same place. And this is the Genesis car. I was filming there. I was in the lounge over there where I was flying to Calgary. So now I'm going into the connections actually. So funny. Also, the security checkpoints are very, very strict right now, asking you to open and switch on the laptop, iPad. Everything out is probably due to the, what's happened right now in the world. If you don't know, you must open the news. So it's a little bit stricter and more stressful and taking a little bit more time, but I'm done. Now it's just immigration. And I will see you on the other side, wherever the other side it is, actually, because it's like domestic one where I am now. So it's like a long tunnel. Going there, this is actually where there is my international check-in supposed to be. I mean, security check. This is actually where normally you should start. So this is like the international wing here. Actually, whenever you travel in Canada, it's like this one. One thing will be for Canadian and Canadian destination. Another one only to US, and the rest will be the rest of the world international. So this is somehow confusing if you not focus. And it's actually funny because when I accidentally boarded through Canadian, they said I cannot do it because it's only for, American actually, or Canadian. Then when I go to international, they said it's busy, go to Canadian. So this is it. And actually there's quite a lot of walking. There's nothing actually in between. It's like a tunnel. One side you see some shops down there, and the other side you should see the planes, but it's already night. And here you go, there's a duty-free store and some other shops and everything, some restaurants, Starbucks. Up there, the Air Canada lounge and some others. I'm gonna show you quickly how the airport look like. This is something interesting, decoration here. My gate is E71, so it's next door. Oh, there are one bar there. Some people actually boarding soon. Oh, actually E75 is here, so mine is more for a nice looking bar here. And Boss shop, Hugo Boss, basically like this. Some shops, I'm gonna show you this ATM giving you 3 currencies, euro, pounds, and the bars, and yeah, I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Overall, it's like a regular airport. Well, obviously Toronto airport is not the newest one, but it's not bad, actually, not bad. Well, at the front of me is some nice place. Unfortunately, no lounge access on this occasion, so I need to find a place where I can have a coffee and rest. Well, my flight is at 10:35, it's around 8 o'clock right now, so that's the situation. One thing I realized when there is the waiting room, they having iPads like this one. You can watch the sports and play order TV and doing the stuff, and also that's the card reader and everything, so you can pay. It's not free of charge, which is funny actually. I mean, interesting, something different. My gate actually has changed recently into E75, so it's just here. So probably I will go to this bakery cafe. This looks cool. I will sit by the bar or somewhere. Looks decent. Oh, they have a coffee machine. So my gate is E75, so I'm just here in the bar, and I just realized as those iPads actually there's menu, and so you order here and pay here. So yeah, kind of fancy actually. And they have no cappuccino, that fancy how it is. I'm just sitting here and I just realized as Canada don't have immigration when you're leaving the country. And then I Google it, which I did something wrong maybe. No, actually Canada, US and UK now, they don't have it. It's cool. I mean, I didn't have an idea about this one. This is something new. Every single day you learn something new. My boarding gonna be soon. I'm gonna show you a lot over there. Let's see, quite a lot of people. I hope so. I'm gonna have at least middle seat empty. And I also wanted to show you this cool thing. I know it doesn't really matter, but there's vending machine where you can buy some electronics like an iPad and AirPods. Actually, that's the genuine AirPods, right? Yeah, actually, yeah. And also you can buy the cake. The cake looks good actually, red velvet. Yeah, actually cool. Oh, chocolate cake actually over there, cool. Already on board. This is night flight, so probably not much b-roll. I guess I will see you in Poland. Actually, there will be b-roll when I'm landing in Warsaw. It's 8.5 hour flight on Boeing 787-900 Dreamliner. It's pretty nice, the same like I flew here actually. So, well, cannot show you much more from Canada. Thanks again, Canada, for having me one more time. I will make some another shots in Poland, but on this video, stay with me. Hopefully nobody will sit next to me actually. I hope so. Here we go. That's the plane. Actually, very nice picture they make it a long time ago. It's cool. Got pillow, blanket, regular stuff. Hopefully nobody sit next to me. Yeah, people boarding. Good thing is this plane is no leather, so they will be actually good. When it's no leather, it's actually cool. And yeah, classic 32-inch space, so it's not bad, not bad. What's that? It's okay. This one is okay. No what? At night, Eva Air is next to me. Cool. Okay, just pray nobody sit next to me. It will be nice, or maybe not. Actually, not sure.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, you've cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart.
Landed in Warsaw, 8.5 hour flight. That's not that bad, not that bad. Always at the last one, leaving the plane. Technically speaking, there is no reason to be a first, leaving the first from the plane, because at the end of the day, we all gonna meet at the same point in immigration or where is the baggage belt. So, but except you are really in rush for the connecting flight, that's a different story. But after that, same thing. This is the Warsaw airport basically here. 777-300 Air from Dubai arrived here also, Emirates. Happy days, actually not so busy at the airport today. And I'm going to Schengen, so it's gonna be actually quick. European Union have a Schengen. This one is actually very handy. Here we go, that's actually better shot of 777-300 from Emirates. Here, oh, here we go, and the lots are everywhere. Cool. Totally no waiting lines to immigration, also cool. Okay, I have no luggage, so I just basically gonna take the car rental, which I booked at 2:15, but it's 1:15. But maybe they're gonna let me go earlier, and I have 375 kilometers to go to see my parents. It's like a 4 hours drive, but of course I will take 1 or 2 hours, 1 or 2 breaks, you know, just stop, refresh myself, have some coffee, maybe some quick food. I will see you probably somewhere outside the airport now, because in next 2 weeks actually I'm gonna fly again, and I already showed you shopping airport already 2 times. This is 3rd time in the past month. This is actually almost exit. I'm just showing this shot especially to Winnie, because when she might come next time, and in case if I'm not with her, saying, you know, how does it look like? You're not gonna get lost. It's so easy actually here. And I came from this one actually, so that's after immigration already. Going down and leaving the airport there. Anyways, this is my theory is proven. First back from Toronto is just coming, all the people waiting here, and I was just so slow last from the plane, being in toilet, and in general that's the thing. So it's no point to be in rush in general. That's my personal experience. And this is the most famous place, like at the front of Renaissance. This is like a drop-off area. C and the lot is D and stuff like this one, because all the people waiting here for the taxi, also all the crew and pilots, and this is actually my crew what I flew, they are here. So at the end of the day we all meet here. Waiting for my pickup from my car rental actually.
So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we lay down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we.
Alright, the situation is like this one. I'm like 1.5 hours still on the way. It's like a 4 hour, 4 hour drive to my parents' house. 1.5 hour left. It's sunset time soon. It's 12 degrees, so the weather's changed. 2 weeks can change everything from 25, 30 degrees. Now it's just 12. It's gonna be 10. I got this red car is mine from the rental, so it's Renault Kadjar, which is like a French car. Last time I got Corolla, so I didn't talk anything because everybody know Corolla. Now I got an European car, so some of you might be interested what sort of car is it. They gave me actually the like this one, the same. I ordered the same, but they gave me different. Either way, yeah, this is it. That's the gas station. Gonna go home and we'll spend some time with my family, of course, with my mom. My mom already missed me, obviously. It's been a 7.5 years when I was last time, and well, I've been here like 2 weeks. Then I go 2 weeks to Canada. Then I'm gonna stay another 2 weeks in Poland.
Turn right,
and
then turn left.
I'm going back to Bali. As you follow my videos every day, you should know it. If not, you know now. After that, what I'm gonna tell you, this is it. It's good to be back, actually. It's good to be back. Weather is changing, but it's still sunny. It's not like, you know, rainy, gray or something. So it's cool. So yeah, I will just show you a little bit from the car, how's the road situation and everything. And I will see you tomorrow. I will continue my daily videos from Poland right now. So I hope so. I'm sure I will see you tomorrow. See ya.